Today, a tour of the Ocean Casino Resort here in Atlantic City, but first, my imitation of a weather reporter during a hurricane.
I don't know how much longer I can stay out here, but the storm is definitely coming in. Whoa!
And now the anchor person in the comfort of the studio.
Well, okay, Jeff, it sure looks windy out there. Stay safe. How many of you knew that downstairs, as soon as you come into the ocean, take the little escalators, not those huge escalators, down one flight, you come to the valet area. There's actually a gift shop down here where you not only can pay for your car as far as parking and stuff like that, but you can buy some last minute gifts.
We're in Ocean Casino Resort. Hold on real tight. These are serious escalators. You guys know the park here at the Ocean Casino Resort is one of my favorite places to just chill out here in Atlantic City. Unfortunately, because of the weather outside, this building is locked shut, except for the front door and the emergency exits. There is no way anyone's getting outside.
I don't think anyone pays more attention to their outdoor space than the Ocean Casino Resort. You just don't find parks and fire pits and stuff at the other hotels and casinos, so it's really noticeable here and much appreciated. As you guys know, the park here at the ocean is one of my favorite hangouts. A great place to just chill out, maybe enjoy a drink or a little snack. Closed today because of the wind, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I'm not staying here at the ocean, so I can't show you the pool, but that's available on other videos here on the New York channel. It's been a while since I've been here, and unfortunately, sometimes you just forget how beautiful a place is. This is a beautiful building.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Harper's, known for their brunch. I had a way over the top French toast here. It was stuffed with bananas Foster. Not your typical French toast, really, like I said, way over the top. That video is available here on the New York channel. We're heading into the district now, pretty much known for bars and restaurants, lots of them covered here on the New York channel.
Take a walk around the district here at the Ocean Casino Resort. Serendipity behind me. A bunch of fast food restaurants there. We have Villain and Saint. I did a video there as well. And a shout out to Slots Junkie, who I just met in the casino, a fan of the New York channel. Super nice guy. Shout out to you, Slots Junkie. Speaking of meeting people, I was in Caesars last night, standing on line at Starbucks. And the woman behind me says, "You're Jeff from New York." And I'm like, "I am." And I think the person behind the counter even recognized me. So this face is getting recognized now in Atlantic City, and I appreciate all the fan support. Bottled wine and spirits is new here at Ocean. Let's go check it out.
A couple of anniversaries being celebrated around Atlantic City this year. Ocean Casino Resort and Hard Rock Hotel and Casino both celebrating their 5-year anniversary. I can't believe it how time flies. Borgata also celebrating its 20th year anniversary. Keep checking that community room here on the New York channel. I'll be discussing things that these places are doing to celebrate their anniversaries. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Wade looks like a new store as well. It's kind of like a Brookstone, all different types of gadgets and electronic stuff. The Starbucks is new too, here by Mackay and Topgolf. It's been a while since I've been here. Ocean steak and linguine by the sea are new here at Ocean, like a lot of things, I guess. Let's go downstairs and check them out real quick. So like I said, lots of new stuff here at the Ocean. I didn't even realize it. I read about it, but I forgot how much new stuff there is. And I don't get comped here, so I don't come here that often, but I think I'm going to spend a little time this summer checking these new places out and doing videos on them. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And now let's return to the beach where Jeff can give us an update on the storm.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, Or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.